Forgot my keys. I always lose my keys. It's not even funny. But let's go for the ride. Excuse you. I haven't drove this for a couple days because this shit drinks gas. I just picked them up from paint and they look fucking good. Check these out. I don't know if you can see it right, but damn boy, I'm excited for these. I'm waiting so long for these. Finally had the chance to buy it, and I got it painted all within a week. Not bad for that. Oh, it's bad lighting. But yeah, let's go home. Let's install this shit, and then wait for Sandy to get off, and we'll go get a memory card. I just got home. Dude, check out these freaking Fenders, though. My boy Oscar did a great job. Got the other ones over here. Now it's time to install them. I have no fucking clue how to install them, but it looks pretty damn easy, so let's go over it together. Alright, step one. Oh, sorry. Put a washer on each bolt. Alright. Came with all these hardware from the trim. That's for the front. But let's get it going though. Alright, here are the bolts. Now we need to put a washer on each bolt and drill it in. Not drill it, and screw it in. So you take this, whatever the fuck they gave us, and you stick it under here in the hole. So you just stick it in there. And then this piece, I think I remember. So it goes like this, and the screw goes into the little hole puncher thing. And bam! I'll just show you when this is finished. Oh man, we gotta install this on this stuff so it slides like this for protecting. God damn it, it's like 8 o'clock and I just barely got this one on. I was just struggling. You know what the hardest part is? Putting on this damn liner. That takes fucking forever. If you know easier way than just to like put it on itself, comment below, let me know. Let other people know who watched my video the easier way to do it. But I don't even have a freaking drill bit because that's my friend's house. So I can't even do the back tonight. I only can do the front, so it's gonna look weird. But this one should be quick. I'm gonna do it in like 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Told you I'd get it done quicker. Look at this shit, boy. Oh crap, I almost dropped the pen. Yes. Yes. So to install the fronts, there's this little like black trim thing you just screw on. And then after, you take these things and these nuts, put them together, and then they'll lock into the bottom here. It's not gonna line perfectly. It took me a little bit to get it on, but it's on. It's good. Alright. plastic, dude. Hope it lasts. But yeah, other than that, happy with the come out. The back is super easy. Oh, you got it on. So what you gotta do is there's these 10mm bolts down here on both sides. Take those off, put those in, and then now we have to drill holes. Yeah. That's about it, and that should be done. But check it out though. Progress.